everybody. Welcome to the Global Women Achievers Festival 2021. I am Nancy Narang, your host for the evening. आपने दिल्ली की सर्दी का तो बहुत सुना होगा, पर आज आप दिल्ली की डार्लिंग से भी मिलने वाले हैं. I bring to you Style Director at DLF Promenade, Bhavna.
Hi.
Hi, Bhavna.
Thank you so much, Nancy. That was like amazing. दिल्ली की डार्लिंग. Wow. मुझे लगा था शायद मैं अपने हस्बैंड की डार्लिंग रही हूँ हमेशा, but दिल्ली की डार्लिंग बोल के बहुत अच्छा लगा.
So, Bhavna, this is true. You are like a rage across the nation and especially in Delhi. There are so many people who, when they got to know that I'm going to interview you, they just couldn't believe it. Now, this is going to be one of our most awaited episodes, Bhavna.
ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
No.
But no, thank you so much. I really appreciate a lot of women, they connect to me now. A lot of girls, they connect to me now. For some obvious reasons that I've been sharing my journey every time. और उनको अच्छा लगता है कि अगर कोई एक इंसान ऐसी जगह से उठ के यहाँ बैठ सकता है तो उनको एक मोटिवेशन मिलती है. I think that's my motive of life now.
So, Bhavna, you are an Insta star in your own self. And, when we look through your posts, we see this badass style icon, I don't give a damn thing attitude. And I think it's very raw and inspiring. But there is an entire journey behind it to where, which people may or may not know. And it's a journey that has brought you here. And the first time around when I was talking to you, I had goosebumps throughout that entire conversation. So let's start from the start. What did it take for Bhavna Singh to become today?
See, it's sometimes, you know what happened? आपके जो circumstances होती हैं, आपके जो मजबूरियां होती हैं life की, they make you that. So it's not that I got inspired from somebody and I thought of becoming something. No, it was not in my case. For me, it was like necessity. For me, if I wouldn't do it, I'll die. So like I have to earn for myself, I have to earn for my family. So that was the only inspiration that I had, that I have to survive. That was the only thing that was in my mind that time. But वो एक survival game वो कैसे passion में convert हो गया, I have no idea. So starting my journey from, I would say even 2 pairs of clothes and teaching fashion. So I think journey has been long.
So childhood wasn't exactly the ideal childhood. And it has been paramount in shaping who you are today. So What sort of skills did you have to face during that time?
See, when I see people here or whenever I see my even friends here, so they talk about, I was in a depression or I've struggled a lot. So I connect to people who have struggles in life. But when I hear their struggles, I feel like, is that a struggle? Like if you have a fight with your mother-in-law, is that a struggle? Or your parents didn't allow you to get married to your love of life, is that a struggle? So for me, struggle meant totally different. For me, struggle was a survival game. For me, struggle was like I had to work every day from the age of 15 or 16 to earn my bread. So that was struggle for me. And then taking care of my whole entire family, making my sister study, taking care of my brother, taking care of my parents. So that was struggle for me. Yes. So, and that जो कहते हैं जब इंसान के पास चीजें बहुत कम होती हैं तो उसको और भगवान विंग्स देता है कि जा बेटा, अभी तो तेरे को बहुत कम में रखा है, तुझे जब मिलेगा तो उसकी आपको एक वैल्यू रहती है. सो आज मैं कुछ भी कमाऊं, कुछ भी करूं, आई वैल्यू everything, even each and every appreciation I get in life, I value it. So that's how I mold myself.
So Bhavna, from walking barefoot and traveling barefoot in buses to owning God knows how many pair of shoes. I mean,
see Nancy, that's been जिसे कहते हैं ना कि मुझे बहुत लोग इंस्टा पे ये चीज लिखते हैं कि आपके पास कितने जूते हैं, आप हर बार नया जूता. क्या होता है ना, जब एक वो एज होती है जिस टाइम पे आप सब बच्चों को देखते हो कि दे आर वेयरिंग डिफरेंट शूज और ब्रांड्स का बहुत शौक होता था उस टाइम पे. And I used to, as I told you earlier, that मेरे पास एक ऐसा टाइम था कि चप्पल नहीं थी पहनने के लिए पैर में, and I used to travel without चप्पल, and people used to look at my feet कि मतलब इस लड़की ने लगता है कोई सुखना सुखी हुई है, सब तभी ये नंगे पैर घूमती है. But that was the story of my life. But आज उस चीज को ना वो दिल पे ऐसी लगी थी कि आज मैं कुछ खरीदू ना खरीदू, बट मैं जूते जरूर खरीदू. I don't know why, and today I own 500 pair of shoes.
Wow.
Just वो एक जो चोट उस टाइम दिल पे लगी थी कि मेरे पास चप्पल नहीं है पहनने के लिए, तो आज एक वो भूख हो चुकी है उस चीज की.
It is so Amitabh Bachchan style ना. मेरी माँ ने यहाँ पे ईंट उठाई और मैं ये बिल्डिंग जाके
I know. My life has been very filmy. Trust me. I sometimes feel कि अगर कोई डायरेक्टर पकड़ेगा ना मेरे ऊपर, अगर मूवी बनाएगा तो that will be a hit.
I'm sure भावना इसके बाद देखने के बाद we have interviewed so many directors. We are going to recommend.
I swear I've had that the entire journey in such a way that आज अगर मैं बैठ के सोचती हूँ, मैं seriously मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मेरे में इतना courage आया कहाँ से. मतलब आज भी मुझे अपनी स्टोरी कई बार सोच के मैं जैसे इट हैपेंड नैंसी कि मैं रातों को कई बार उठ जाती हूँ और उठ के बैठ जाती हूँ, एंड आई रिमेम्बर ऑल दोस थिंग्स दैट आई फेस्ड इन लाइफ, और मैं घबरा जाती हूँ कि क्या मैं लायक हूँ कि आज मैं इस सिचुएशन में हूँ और मैं बहुत अच्छे से रह रही हूँ, बिकॉज जो लाइफ मैं पहले देख चुकी हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है कि ये चीज मेरे से छिन ना जाए, कहीं चली ना जाए. तो मतलब एक वो डर आ चुका है अब दिल में, दिमाग में वो डर है. तो उस डर से मैं निकलना जरूर चाहती हूँ, बट वो डर मुझे छोड़ता नहीं है.
I think it is such a courageous thing for you to admit this, and with so much honesty and earnestness. I think that is what women empowerment is truly about. So Bhavna,
Definitely.
what is that one life-changing moment that brought you from there to here? What started your journey?
See, I was in a boarding school, I think when I was in 6th or 7th standard. So in boarding school, what happens is like parents, they come once a year and they give you some casual clothes, and so that whenever you have a party in the school, तो आप वो कपड़े change करते हो, हर साल कपड़े change होते हैं, otherwise आप uniforms में होते. तो my parents never used to come and give us clothes, तो वो हमारे कभी change होते ही नहीं थे. तो one day I just asked my friend, I was like, can I borrow your one jacket because school में party and I want to look good. तो she said, yeah, why not? But उसने मुझे वो जैकेट दिया, मैं पहन के बाहर गई, एंड सब पूरे स्कूल के सामने शी सेड, ये चोर है, इसने मेरी जैकेट चोरी करी है और चोरी करके पहना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, लिटरली आई वाज शैटर्ड, क्योंकि वो पूरा स्कूल मेरे ऊपर हंस रहा था. कैन यू इमेजिन, लाइक 6-7वीं का बच्चा, उसके ऊपर जब पूरा स्कूल ऐसे करके खड़ा है, नो शिट यार, मतलब तुमने चोरी करी है, मतलब that was shaking for me, and I went to washroom. Totally again filmy scene happened. I went there, sat there, and I was like, भगवान अगर आज तू है तो मुझे कपड़ों में खिलाना बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, कपड़ा ही कपड़ा चाहिए. And he was there. God really heard me there. And आज कपड़ा ही कपड़ा. So, but मुझे ये लगता है कि जो भी आपकी लाइफ में स्ट्रगल, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आती है ना, वो आपको कहाँ लेके जाती है, यू हैव नो आइडिया. उस टाइम बुरा बहुत लगता है, बट ये चीजें आपको बनाती हैं.
So what happened after that? Like once you were out of school and you had to carve a niche for yourself, how did your journey in fashion begin?
Just a minute. So journey in fashion was like a accident. It was like an accident. I was good in studies but was not able to study. Then this fashion was always inside me, because मैंने बोला जब किसी चीज की कमी होती है तो आप उस कमी में से ही अपने आप का पैशन पूरा करते हो. अगर मेरे पास 2 टी-शर्ट्स होती थी तो मैं उसी टी-शर्ट को 10 तरीके से पहन लेती. एंड आई देन रियलाइज्ड कि कुछ तो आर्ट है मेरे अंदर, सो आई कैन डू इट. देन आई ओपनड a store, मतलब I think at the age of 18 or 19 I opened a store जहाँ पे मैं कपड़े बेचना शुरू किया. There I got to know कि I can style also. It's just not कि मुझे पता है कपड़ा क्या. Now I can style people. मैंने 10-12 साल लोगों को फ्री में स्टाइल किया है, बिल्कुल फ्री में, कुछ नहीं चार्ज किया. बट उसके बाद then I realized कि it's a full-time job, so I have to take it further because my interest goes in it. So that was the thing. So I was a waitress पहले, but मतलब हर चीज लाइफ में करके देखी है. I was a waitress. I have worked in restaurants. and done many jobs. And then I realized, because पैसा इकट्ठा करती थी और कोई ना कोई कोर्स कर लेती थी, एक दिन का, 2 दिन का, कुछ ऐसे कोर्सेज होते थे. I used to do all that to groom myself, because I couldn't study. I haven't seen college in my life. So now I go for speeches, but खुद नहीं पढ़ी हूँ कॉलेज से. So बस ये था कि कोर्सेज करती रहती थी कि कुछ ना कुछ अपने आप को एनहांस करने के लिए. Those things really helped me. तो बस यही जर्नी.
Bhavna Singh, Dilli Darling came your way, and
right.
that became one of the tipping points of your life. That really changed things around for you.
Right.
So how was life after that?
See, मैं वही कहूंगी कि पता नहीं भगवान कितने मेरे आसपास रहते हैं, हर चीज सुन लेते हैं, कि मैं एक छोटी सी चीज मांगती हूँ मुझे इसका बहुत बड़ा वर्जन मिल जाता है. Dilli Darling happened. They took me as a wild card entry, and it was like for me it was like a very good break. उससे पहले मुझे लोगों को समझाना पड़ता था कि मैं करती क्या हूँ, मेरा काम क्या है, स्टाइलिंग होता क्या है. But they made my job very easy. They told people that this is the way she works. इसका ये काम है, ये लोगों को ट्रांसफॉर्म भी करती है. It's just not that I just talk about their कपड़ा, their styling. I talk about the whole personality. तो उन्होंने वो चीज जब नेशनल टेलीविजन पे दिखाई कि she can do this, that thing gave me a hype. Then people got to know कि अच्छा ये भी एक काम होता है.
Fashion styling is also a profession.
Yeah, it's a full-time job. Because there is still people are running after becoming a makeup artist or interior designer or whatever. But इस तरफ किसी ने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया था, because people used to think इसमें पैसा नहीं है, काम नहीं होता है. It's a full-time job and it gives you good money if you have the passion.
And I think it's just not about clothes or makeup or shoes. It is just about your entire personality,
Definitely.
Like I've seen how closely you work with your students. You're teaching them, confidence and the way you walk and talk. There's so much more. It's like an entire personality development thing happening.
Right. See, when they come to me, my course says it's a fashion styling course. So I think I need to change the name now, because I'm doing everything for them, like teaching them how to walk, how to talk, how to present yourself, और हर तरह के कपड़े की नॉलेज देना. एंड आज जब मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स से या फिर अपने फॉलोअर्स से सुनती हूँ जिनकी लाइफ में थोड़ा सा 1% या 2% भी चेंज किया है, आई फील सो ब्लेस्ड दैट भगवान ने इतना बनाया है कि मैं किसी और को चेंज कर सक रही. तो मेरे लिए वो, ट्रस्ट मी, these blessings matters to me a lot. क्योंकि मैंने खुद अपने आप को एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में देखा है जहां पे मैं कुछ करना चाहती थी बट मेरे पास कुछ होता नहीं था. अगर मैं ग्रूमिंग क्लास में जाना चाहती थी तो मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं होते थे जाने के लिए. तो बट नाउ आई सपोर्ट सच women. So in my every batch, nobody knows this thing, I am telling you right now. In my every batch, there's one girl that I pick that is for a charity base.
Oh wow.
And nobody in the class knows about it कि who's that girl जिसने फीस नहीं दी है. But that's only between me and her. But I take care of, because मुझे लगता है कि एक भावना सिंह और बन जाए शायद. लेकिन वो मैंने बोला ना, बचपन में जो चीजें, जो बच्चा जैसा मोल्ड हो जाता है, जूतों का एक जो पैशन है मेरे को, पागलपन वो था, और एक जब पैसे नहीं थे बट कुछ करना चाहते, तो अब मैं उन लड़कियों को सपोर्ट करती हूँ. हर बैच में एक लड़की जरूर ऐसी उठाती.
I think I am going to enroll for your classes next time.
With money though.
We'll keep that between us.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
definitely.
To sum it up, Bhavna, this journey could not have been possible without a support system. Now, you were supporting your own family, but what about life after marriage? How was the journey? Were your parents, in-law, and your husband, were they equally supportive?
Nancy, if I tell you one thing, आज मैं जहाँ हूँ, जिस मुकाम पर हूँ, अगर मेरे हस्बैंड और मेरे इन-लॉ साथ में नहीं होते, तो I don't think so कि मैं जिंदा भी होती. मतलब I am saying it bluntly, मैं जिंदा नहीं होती. मैं गिव अप कर चुकी होती लाइफ में कि मैं मुझसे और नहीं हो रहा है. Because there was a time when I was like, I literally gave up on everything and I was like, I cannot survive now. कि this is the end. But I don't know भगवान ने कैसे ये लोग मुझे गिफ्ट कर दिए. एंड they gave me wings like anything. They said, now जो तुमने बचपन में नहीं देखा वो अब देखो, जियो. So I'm more than a daughter to them. So that's the feel that I have here. Without their support, nothing.
You know, it is amazing how you were so strong even before you didn't have anybody, and how having the right support system helped you blossom to another level. I think that's what true empowerment is about. As we sum up, Bhavna, what message do you want to give to women who are still waiting for their chance, for their dreams to come true? There's so many Bhavna Singhs out there listening, looking for support. What would you say to them?
I just want to say one thing, Nancy, that never give up in life. Never. Whatever hardships you're facing, whatever struggle you're facing, that thing is molding you to the next level. जिस इंसान को घर बैठे बिठाए प्लेट में थाली में सब कुछ मिल जाता है, उसको खाने की कदर नहीं होती. खाने की कदर उसको होती है जो खुद बना के खाता है और अपने तमीज से तरीके से खाता है. तो मैं उन लोगों में से जो अपना बना के खुद खाया और उसकी बहुत कदर करती हूँ, बहुत इज्जत करती हूँ. और अपने, अगर मैं छोटा सा काम करूँ उसकी भी इज्जत, अपने काम की इज्जत करना सीखो, अपने पेरेंट्स की, अपने इन-लॉज की, अपने हस्बैंड की, हर किसी की. बी हम्बल इन लाइफ. भगवान कुछ भी कितना भी दे, बी हम्बल. सो यू हैव नो आइडिया ये हम्बलनेस आपको कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाएगी.
On that beautiful note, Bhavna, I can only thank you from the bottom of my heart. You're truly inspiration to me and to thousands and crores of women and men who are listening to you. And we need more women like you, fearless, bold, empowered.
Oh yes, bindas Bhavna Singh.
Absolutely. More power to you, Bhavna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was very nice talking to you, Nancy. Love you. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you.